mutton heart curry. Today I'm making a delicious, tender, and flavorful dish, perfect with roti or naan. Step 1. Cleaning and cutting. Wash the mutton heart thoroughly and cut it into small pieces. Step 2. Boiling the heart. Boil the heart with a salt and ginger garlic paste. Ginger and garlic paste ½ teaspoon. Salt ½ teaspoon. Remove the foam that appears on top. Boiling removes impurities, excess blood, and makes the heart tender. Step 3. Frying the heart. Oil 2 tablespoons. Heat 2 tablespoons oil and 1/2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Lightly fry the boiled heart pieces. Frying enhances the flavor and gives a slightly roasted taste. Step 4. Cooking the masala base. In a pressure cooker, heat 1/3 cup oil and add whole spices: bay leaves, cloves, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, and black pepper. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute. Salt 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1/3 teaspoon. Green chili 4 to 5, and fry for 1 minute. Add 1/3 cup water and cook the masala for 2 minutes until aromatic. Step 5. Adding the heart. Add the fried mutton heart and mix with the masala. Add water 1/3 cup and mix it. Step 6. Pressure cooking. Close the cooker and cook for 1 whistle on high flame and 10 minutes on low flame. Do not overcook, it keeps the heart tender. Step 7. Final garnishing. After releasing the pressure, add a pinch of nutmeg and mace. If you want the full recipe of this secret masala, it's available on the Food Zyka channel. Mix gently and cook for 1-2 minutes. This secret masala is what makes it extra special. Add fresh coriander leaves and cook 2 more minutes. Optional, squeeze a little lemon juice. For better flavor, always cook the masala on medium flame. Step 8. Serves. The delicious spicy mutton heart curry is ready. It looks so flavorful and aromatic, best served hot with roti or naan. Enjoy this homemade delicacy. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Zyka for more delicious recipes. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share, and follow us for more delicious recipes.